Hey guys, my name is Vanessa. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. So today, as you saw by the title of this video, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite cleaning products that I use around my home on a day-to-day, week-to-week, month-to-month basis. Hold on one second, that's the oven running. I think I said that was the oven running. I meant to say that was the oven timer ringing. So anyway, I'm just going to be sharing with you some of my favorite cleaning products. So let's just get right into this video. Okay, the first brand that I absolutely love is Mrs. Meyers. Particularly her multi-service everyday cleansing sprays, whatever, just like the multi-purpose sprays. I love this Peony scent. I have my whole linen closet like stacked up with these because I was paranoid that they would sell out. So I have quite a few of these on reserve to get me through probably the rest of the summer. Love this scent in particular, but I also love the lavender one. I love the basil one. I like all of them. I haven't tried the radish scent, but I've heard some people like that, some people don't. So anyway, I love this product. It works really well. It's kind of just no nonsense. Supposedly it's a little bit more natural. It has fragrance in it, but I'm not putting it on my skin, so I don't care about that. But it says that it's made with plant-derived ingredients, natural essential oils. It doesn't have any parabens, which I don't really care about, but I don't know. No, it's just supposed to be a little bit better. I particularly use this on the floor. I have laminate hardwood, so when my dogs mess up, if they mess up, I'll go ahead and use one of my more natural products. I obviously clean it up and dry it, but just God forbid they licked it. I feel a little bit better about having a more natural product on a surface that they could either touch with their paws or accidentally lick up, and I've had no problem. So love Mrs. Meyers for that. This isn't necessarily a cleaning product, but it's a room freshener, and it's the lavender spray. I love this. Is that focusing? Focus. Let me get my head out of there. Maybe then it'll focus. There we go. I love this stuff. It's a small bottle, but every time you spray, can you see that? It doesn't, I don't know, this has lasted a long time and I use it pretty regularly. So it smells really nice, just like a nice light smell, particularly for your bedroom because it's calming and I really like it. So this is the same lavender that comes in the multi-purpose spray. They also have a lot of different products in the Mrs. Meyers line, so I haven't tried out every single product yet, but definitely one of my favorites. Alright, moving on to things that I use to clean my kitchen. I really only use either the multi-purpose spray that I just showed or these two products. This is the Daily Granite Spray by Method. I really like this. To be honest, I haven't tried many other granite sprays. I've used this from the beginning and I really do like it. I don't know what scent it is. Apple Orchard. I'm trying to think if it actually smells like that. It's not a like bothersome smell. I think that this is pretty like, I feel like everybody would like this. There's certain scents that I feel like appeal to certain people, but I don't know. I don't feel like it smells like too much of anything, but it smells nice. The other spray that I use is called Spray Away Stainless Steel, and I use this on all of my stainless steel appliances and it seems to work really well. I usually just use a microfiber cloth, one that doesn't like have a lot of like lint and stuff on it, but I just keep a separate microfiber cloth specifically used for this product, specifically used for cleaning the appliances, and I don't use it for anything else. So I like this. I know that maybe it's either Method, I think it's Method that makes one of the natural ones. I haven't tried that, but I don't know. This just works really well, so I'm probably just going to continue to use this. This is a huge can, and I've had this for a long time. I don't clean my appliances like every day or anything like that. It just doesn't bother me to have a couple of fingerprints on it. So I probably clean it like once a week, maybe once every other week, and I just feel like this goes a long way. It's one of these kinds of tops. It foams when it comes out, and I really enjoy it. It cleans, polishes, preserves, and protects. So I like that. Two other things that I use in the kitchen, kind of as an accessory to cleaning. When I clean my dishes, before I put them in the dishwasher, I use this little brush. It's one of these little scrubbers. I don't use sponges. I don't like sponges. The texture of it just like creeps me out. I got this from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, one of those. Works really well. I just love brushes. I love the little short kind, and it just gets everything off really easily. Sorry about that. I know Grove Collaborative makes like a cute little wooden one. I haven't ordered from them yet, but I'd like to, so maybe I'll get that in the next couple of weeks. And then the other thing that I use to clean my stainless steel pots and pans are these little Brillo pads. I get these at the dollar store. You get 8 of them in this box. I just think that's a good deal. They work really well. I use them once or twice and then I toss them out because they get kind of rusty because it's stainless wool. Is that what this is called? Steel wool, not stainless wool, steel wool. So they get kind of like gross looking. So I just use it once or twice, then I toss it, and they're pretty inexpensive. So I like these a lot. I don't use them every single time. I use my pots and pans only if something burns on them and they just are looking a little shabby. So I really like these, and I've been using these for years. All right, moving on to the bathroom and what I use to clean. I like the Lysol toilet bowl cleaners. I haven't tried any of the more natural brand ones. I just find that I feel like for certain areas, I don't care necessarily how many chemicals are in it. I just want to know that the efficacy is there for disinfecting reasons. So I just prefer using the Lysol. I mean, I'd be open to trying some of the more natural brands as long as they had claims that said that it would kill 99.9% of germs and bacteria. I really actually particularly like this one, the black bottle. It has a very clean scent. I don't even know, it just says lime and rust toilet bowl cleaner. I just feel like it's stronger. This one smells really good. This one is called the Country Scent. This one just smells like clean and fresh, and I find that it just works really, really well. I combine that just as far as cleaning the toilet. I use these scrubbing bubbles, little things that it's like a little gel pad. You click this and then a little gel pad comes out and you like stick it on the toilet bowl, and it just makes it smell fresh. It probably lasts like a week or two. It just depends how many people I guess are using that bathroom. But I use both of these to keep the whole bathroom smelling fresh, and they seem to work really well. Next thing you need, if you have a glass shower door, or glass like windows or whatever on your shower, you need a squeegee. This changed my life, honestly. When you have a glass shower and the glass shower door, I find that it gets very soap scummy if you're washing your hair, and the conditioner just like flings off and goes onto the glass, and then you don't do anything about it. It's so hard to get that stuff off after the fact once it's dried up. So every time I get out of the shower, it takes me 2 seconds. I just squeegee everything, and this really helps just as like a maintenance. That way when you are deep cleaning, it really isn't that difficult, because the last thing I want to do is be sitting there scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing and trying to get soap scum off of my glass shower door. So try this out. They have these at the dollar store. I think I got this one at Target. It was very cheap, maybe like $2 or something like that. So try this out if you have a glass shower, and I promise it will make your life so much easier. Okay, so Minnie decided to join me in this video. So if you see something moving around right here, that's my little dog Minnie. So in addition to using that little scrubber, this is how I wash my dishes before they go in the dishwasher, or if I just am washing something that's not going in the dishwasher. Again, I know I mentioned Mrs. Meyers, but I love this. This is the dish soap. This time around, I have it in the basil. And then I always get some cute dishwashing gloves. I usually get these at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods. They're usually like $2.99. These keep it from your hands getting super, super dry. And I just love them. They're cute. So that's what I use. And then slightly off topic, well, not going along with cleaning dishes, but this is what I use to clean my furniture and to get dust off of any wood surfaces. It's comparable to the Pledge brand, but I just got the Up and Up because it was on Cartwheel and it was on sale as well, so it was a good price. So it's the lemon furniture spray. That is what it looks like. I use this with a microfiber cloth, and I am very happy with it. It works well, and I'm sure it works just as good as the Pledge, and yeah, no complaints. last but not least, this is what I use to clean my windows. It is, again, the Up and Up brand. It's comparable to the Windex. It's streak-free glass cleaner. Here's what it looks like. I've used Windex and this side by side, and I feel like there's literally no difference. So might as well save a little bit of money and try this out. And I just use this with paper towels. I don't use microfiber on my windows just because they're too big, and it just, I don't know, I just don't. I just use the paper towels for this. The paper towels that I get, I don't have any here, but if I showed you, they would just look like paper towels. They're the ones from Costco. They're the Kirkland. They're a good price. I like them. No complaints. Okay guys, so last but not least, this is my favorite cleaning tool, whatever, that I have in my arsenal. It is my Dyson V6 Motorhead Plus. I love this thing. It is so convenient. I love how this skinny part of it can just fit under anything. It can fit under my furniture, can fit under my like nightstand table if it has a little bit of a lift in it. And then you can also take off this portion and have the part that sucks it up here, so that way you could use it in the car very easily. I don't have any steps in my house, but it would be very convenient if you had stairs to clean the stairs, and it's very easy to empty. I just love this thing so much, and it looks cool, and I'm just very happy with it. I know it's a little bit of a splurge item. I saved up for this, and when I bought my house, I decided to treat myself to it, and I have not been disappointed. It has worked so well. If you guys want a full review on this, leave a comment down below and let me know, because I can show you kind of how it works in action. I know you've probably seen it scattered throughout my cleaning videos, but I just really enjoy this vacuum. I really, really like it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These are all of my favorite cleaning products and my favorite cleaning device at the end. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you like content like this, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.